this next step, we're gonna come up and we're gonna publish this game. You're gonna notice publish isn't up here at the top, so we need to do a couple things to get it ready to publish. One of the first things I wanna do is go to Window, and I wanna go to Package Manager. If publish is not there, wait for everything to load in. And then I'm going to scroll down towards the bottom to see where WebGL Publisher is. And you're going to see that there's an install at the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and click install and let that load in. Then I can go ahead and just close out that window. And now my publish is there. Once it's been installed, to File, and I want to click on Build Settings. We're going to switch to WebGL. Go ahead and click on WebGL here and click Switch Platform. It's already on WebGL, just leave it and go to the next step. So once it's done switching over, you notice that it says Build at the bottom. Up here in the top, we don't have any scenes in here. If you do, please right-click on them and delete them. I'm going to now click on Add Open Scene, and that scene, sample scene, should match what I have up here at the top. That is the scene I'm using. So now that I have my scene in there, I am going to go ahead and I'm just going to close out of this and come back to Publish, WebGL Project, and I'm going to click Get Started, and I'm going to click Build and Publish. And it's asking me where to save these WebGL builds. So I'm going to go to the desktop, I'm going to click New Folder, and I'm going to title my game and create that new folder. I'm going to then tell it to choose. It is now going to work on building the game and publishing it to the web. This will take a little while, so your next screen is the internet will open up. My game has opened up, and it will make a thumbnail for me. I can go ahead and click play to make sure that my game works. My audio didn't work because I have an audio button here. So now if I click this back on, I can go ahead. Some places I won't be able to get through. We're going to save this. And once it's saved, remember we get our link here. I can go ahead and copy this. And this is what I will add into the Padlet in Google Classroom.